Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Apple Cash is active in your wallet. Open Wallet and check balance now. You should add funds or link a debit card so you can top up quickly. This avoids failed purchases. Once done, make sure your Apple ID has two-factor authentication and Face ID or Touch ID enabled. This secures payments and speeds checkout. You're preparing the account and payment flow so Amazon can accept funds without delay and refunds route back to Apple Cash. You now add a qualifying payment method to Amazon. Because Amazon doesn't accept Apple Cash directly, use your Apple Card or the debit card you added to Wallet at checkout. Log into Amazon, go to Payment Options, and enter the card details exactly as shown in Wallet. This sync ensures authorization. Once added, choose that card at checkout and confirm CVV and billing address. Matching addresses reduce declines. This step bridges Apple Cash funds. You complete the purchase by selecting your wallet-linked card at Amazon checkout and authorizing the payment. Monitor both Amazon confirmation and your Apple Cash balance afterward. If you need a refund, make sure Amazon returns it to the same card. This routes funds back into Apple Cash. If a payment fails, check card limits, pending transactions, or add money to Apple Cash immediately. Alternatively, remove and re-add the card in Amazon to refresh tokenization. One tip: log out and re-log in to Amazon to clear cached payment tokens if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.